When you go to CourseSearch, the first thing you'll see is a text box to search for keywords and a list of filter options. You can start a search by typing in a keyword or more than one search term separated by a space. CourseSearch will look for all of them. You can refine your results by university, TAFE, or college. You can refine results based on what ATAR you expect to receive or received by using the estimated ATAR range filter. You can specify the qualification level you are searching for. Use the study mode filter if you want to find courses that offer the option to study part-time or online. If you want to browse a broad range of related courses, you can use the Area of Interest drop-down menu. There is the option of refining your results by whether courses are available to domestic students and/or international students. You can also filter by whether you apply for the course through VTAC or direct to the institution by default. CourseSearch will show you both application methods. Then, after you have filtered down the course options, press the love heart favourite icon to choose what courses interest you the most. Once clicking on the course, for example in this case a Bachelor of Marketing at Monash, you will be able to find detailed information about the course in the course overview section, including the course's major studies, information sessions that may be available, professional accreditation, and pathways into the course. You will also be able to find information based on graduate career opportunities, work-based learning, postgraduate study pathways, additional information about facilities and staff, course fees, whether there are scholarships available, and other key information such as course websites and handbooks. Additionally, at the top of the page you will see the course code. Every course that accepts applications through VTAC has a VTAC course code. Some have more than one. These codes are extremely important when applying for courses because the course code is specific to each course, institution, and campus. You find them in the course entries on CourseSearch, and you will use them when you apply and complete your course preference list. If the course information does not include any VTAC course codes, it means they accept applications directly to the institution and not through VTAC. Additionally, after clicking on the course requirements section, you'll be able to find specialised criteria based on your applicant category. For example, if you are starting Year 12 in 2024, you can click this tab to find information based on prerequisites, as well as other admission criteria that is relevant for Year 12 applicants, such as ATAR details, Cs and subject adjustments and selection rank adjustments. To find more details about the course's ATAR, click the ATAR and Student Profile tab, where you'll find more specific details surrounding the ATAR and Student Profile. You can then click the How to Apply button, which will inform you about applying for the course through VTAC. To find further information, click the Further Information tab to see details about the institution and other further information. You're now ready to finalise and submit your preference list through your VTAC application. Remember, you can choose up to 8 course preferences.